Well, I just ordered some new keycaps for my keyboard here. This is an older mechanical keyboard I've had for a while. It's Rosewill. It's a good keyboard. It's the model 9000BL, RK9000BL. So a great mechanical keyboard. I really like it a lot. I think it has, is it reds or blues? I'm not sure what switch. It has some cherry MX switches in it. And it has a nice under, the back of this, if you can see, has like a red, there's like a red board behind it, which is really cool that I like. Anyway, I got this key set. It was $62 out of China with free shipping. So it's gonna look really, really cool. It's sort of this retro 80s look, which I really like. And I grabbed this tool, I have a couple of them. Sometimes keyboards come with them, but I got this one cheap off of Amazon. I'll include the link. So what you can do, you can just grab, you use these here, like if I wanna grab this escape key, you just kind of put this on both sides of it and it kind of sits around it. And then you just pull, and you can pull that key off, just like that. So the key comes off and we'll be putting the new keycaps on top of these. Oh, are they blacks? These are cherry blacks. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna maybe time lapse or speed up the video and I'll put these new keycaps on here and show you what it looks like. Oh, and the keycaps, they're actually really nice. They seem to be pretty good. They're just blanks. So there's nothing written on these, and they're the MX type. Just comparing the keys. So they are pretty much the same profile as this keyboard. So these keycaps are basically the same size, and they're just gonna go on there really nicely. So that should be just awesome. But again, I won't have anything written on them, so this is the first keyboard I'm gonna be using that doesn't have any printing on the keys, so we'll push this on here and see how it looks. Wait, is that in the right way? Yeah. So we'll just kind of put that on. It's easier when I'm not holding it straight up. But there we go. That's the first key. This is gonna look awesome. So my shift key had these stabilizers in the back, and so I'm just gonna transfer them over since this new one doesn't have them. They just fit in here, and there's a little bar, sort of like a little bar on here that these go on. Okay, it's coming along. Got all my keys out except for the ones that have the stabilizers on them. So let me get those out now. It's really dirty. I'm glad I did this. I'm going to clean this up quite a bit. Figure I'd show you while I'm doing this. These ones with the stabilizers, the stabilizer is like a bar, like the space bar has it. So that if you press the space bar over on this side, like this is the space bar, if you press it over here on the side, the whole thing will press down uniformly. This little bar presses both sides. But there's only one switch for it, which is right in the middle. So these bars take a little bit to get off. They have these little inserts here where the bar hooks onto. I'm not sure what it's called. But I'll show you how to take one of these off. So I just watched a YouTube video to learn how to do it. But you just pull it up with the tool, just like we did for the other keys. But then this one, you can kind of see it has under there. Can you see that? So it's like stuck in there, and it's just sitting on those bars. So the way to get it off, I don't know if I can show it on the camera here, but it's to just use a screwdriver, and you just push the key back, and then you grab that part. So you push it as far over as it'll go in the one direction, and just gently push over that metal bar. And you can just feel when it's going to come off. So you push that over, then the key comes up like this. And so now half of it is out, just that one half. So the other half will just slide right out, like this. Does that make sense? And the other ones will go in the same. We just lift it up like, whoa, I lift it up sort of like it is now. And then we'll just slide one end in, pry the end over, and put the other end in. That's how those work. These brown keys have a really awesome, like chocolatey color to them. I really like these.
stamp motion. Two certain distros that do, like Purism, one of the sponsors of the show,